All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are back. We are back for the final session of today's evening. Yes, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के इस बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी शाम में। तो दोस्तों, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि गुजरता हुआ वक्त तो गुजर जाएगा, गुजरता हुआ वक्त तो गुजर जाएगा, अगर कुछ पास रह जाएगा तो वो हर पल याद रह जाएगा, और वो होगा आज की इस खूबसूरत सी शाम का एक प्यारा सा लम्हा कोई। तो चलिए, क्योंकि बात आ चुकी है आगे बढ़ने की, once again would like to welcome you all on the behalf of Jito Ladies Wing Hyderabad with TNAPTS Zone presents Kalakar Ki Khoj Season 2. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are all set with the final results, but before than that, I would like to request you all to have a very beautiful session. So as we say कि किसी अच्छी शाम की शुरुआत करने से पहले भगवान का नाम जरूर ले लेना चाहिए, तो इसी बात पे आप सभी के सामने प्रस्तुत है मंगलाचरण। Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it's a moment to invite one of the most important person around the corner. I can indirectly or directly say the star of the evening, yes. Well, she's a strong, self-driven person with amazing interpersonal skills and has extraordinary ability to understand the thought process of the conflict arising situations and facilitating the troubled with spiritual healing. We call her Beauty with Brain indeed. So yes, before we move on to next, let's have a AV, and I'm talking about none other than Sarla Bhutodia. So can we have the AV, please? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, जिसका आप सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार है वो हमारे पास मौजूद है। तो चलिए जोरदार तालियों के साथ अपने ही घरों में बजाकर वेलकम करना चाहेंगे चेयरपर्सन none other than Sarla ji onto the stage. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome back to the stage. And I think now the mic, the stage, the audience is all over to you.
Thank you, Neha. Such a wonderful introduction of me, talking about me. It indeed gives me a pleasure to hear somebody talking good about me. A warm good evening and hearty welcome to all our esteemed guests, judges, participants of Kalakar Ki Khoj, the dignitaries, the friends from the Jito fraternity, media, and the entire team of Kalakar Ki Khoj 2, and the entire digital team. A team makes the dream work. It's about a group of people working together. It's about a group of people trusting each other. It's all about common people working together to achieve uncommon goal. In this teamwork, I learned as a leader that leadership is not a role. It is always a goal. It is an example, an action. I also learned that it is all about performance and leadership has to be earned. It has to be an ability to empower others. I learned the power of not I, but we. I alone am a drop of water, but we together are an ocean. I am thankful to each and every member of Team Kalakar Ki Khoj 2, Team TNAP Test Zone. Special thanks to Sri Ramesh Ji Jain and Dimple Ji, who were very instrumental in giving us permission to carry forward this project Kalakar Ki Khoj at the zone level. And without their support, it would have not been happened. And what to say about this team of Kalakar Ki Khoj 2? They have nurtured this competition, which is simply superb. Thanks, friends, for living the same dream as I do. We are like a big piece of puzzle, and each one of you are a part of this puzzle, without whom the picture will not complete. Friends, just be the piece you are. This program was organized to give a platform to all the people who had a skill but were looking for a platform to come forward, come ahead and get this platform. And you know, we had 5 competitions: singing, dance, short movies, styling and the Zyka. These competitions are meant to showcase the skills of the same time were designed as per the common minimum program of Jito Ladies Wing, and also with a cause to raise a fund for the education for the people who are less privileged. And this is our duty towards the society. Friends, Kalakar Ki Khoj is a beautiful combination of 40 members in the committee and getting along smoothly, which could have been a bigger challenge, but went on very well. A digital team of 10 members, team of 11 judges, 2 months of working and 256 participants. Itself is a proof of huge success of this event during this pandemic, where people were looking forward to some change, some positivity. They were very happy to hear that Kalakar Ki Khoj 2 is coming again. And carrying forward this program till today as the semi-final is indeed a great achievement for the entire Jito Ladies Wing Hyderabad with TNAP Test Zone. I'm delighted to share that we have people from Hyderabad, Nanded, Davangere, Ballari, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Raipur, Jaipur, Chennai and Jamshedpur and many more cities. Friends, this event is organized with a noble thought, as I shared with you all. So, I welcome you all to this beautiful evening where we are going to announce the results of the semi-finals for the people who are going to step into finals now. Thank you and welcome once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Once again, you have just encouraged everybody and, of course, the main theme of the program and why we are doing this program as well. So thank you so much, and I would like to request you to kindly take your seat. So we have wonderful, wonderful things coming up in. Yes, I'm talking about the results. We are done with the programs, but results are still left out, जिसके लिए आप सब बहुत ही देर से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. दोस्तों, सीजन 1 बहुत ही बड़ा ग्रैंड सक्सेस रहा था, जिसके दम पे हमने सीजन 2 यहाँ पे आज किया है. और मैं चाहूंगी कि कुछ यादगार चीजें, यादगार पल जो सीजन 1 में हमने जिए थे, उन्हें एक बार फिर से यहाँ आज आप सभी के साथ देखा जाए. सो यस, कैन वी हैव द AV ऑफ सीजन 1, द ग्लिम्स ऑफ सीजन 1. yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was a glimpse of season 1 and आज इतनी सारी यादें हम सभी ने जोड़ी हैं, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ने का वक्त आ चुका है। एक बार फिर से हम अपने सारे स्पॉन्सर्स का बहुत ही बड़ा धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे। फाइन कैब वायर्स एंड केबल्स, जैन एग्रो, पद्मावती प्रिंट्स कोलकाता, पर्ल पॉलीमर्स, शालीमार, स्वाद अ डिलिशियस जर्नी, Ramesh G. Goel and Asha Anil. Of course, we would like to thank all of our sponsors indeed with the bottom of our hearts. And at the same partner zone in, we have few entertainment acts coming up in. क्योंकि कहते हैं ना, हर एक शाम को सुपरहिट बनाने के लिए 3 चीजों की खास जरूरत होती है, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। तो चलिए तैयार हो जाइए टू वॉच आउट एंटरटेनमेंट एक्ट। This is the act which is done by Sirimuva Arts Institute and this particular act is choreographed by Daksh Dhawan. Let's have a look.
Tá gostando? Mano, tá vendo essas ideias, mano? Tá vendo? Sempre tem aquele amigo que mente, né, mano? Aquele amigo que é abusado. Não, né? Não.
Abusada, mente.
Abusada mente.
Mas só que a profissão das minas é...
Abusadamente ela vai batendo, bum, bum. Ela vai sentando, bum, bum. Ela vai quicando, bum, 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 bum. Ela vai batendo, bum, bum. Ela vai quicando, bum. Ela vai sentando, bum, bum, bum.
Abusadamente ela vem batendo, bum, bum. Ela vem quicando, bum, bum. Ela vem tremendo, bum, 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 bum. Vem batendo, bum, bum. Ela vem quicando, bum, bum. Ela vem tremendo, bum, 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 bum. E a partir desse momento, tá caindo por um.
E a partir desse momento, tá caindo por um. Bum, 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 bum.
Olha o tamanho dessa raba, ela joga na cara. Olha o tamanho dessa raba, ela joga na cara. Ela joga na cara, joga na cara, joga na cara dos quebrados. Joga na cara, joga na cara, joga na cara dos quebrados. Ela joga na cara, joga na cara, joga na cara dos quebrados. Ela joga na cara, joga na cara, joga na cara dos quebrados.
Vou ter que assumir que tu é foda. Vou ter que assumir que tu é foda. Que tu é braba, com a jogada de bunda toda recalcada para. E como que ela tá gostando?
Olha a Maria jogando a bunda. Olha a Carlinha jogando a bunda. Olha a Fernanda jogando a bunda. Essas meninas tão doidas e malucas. Essas meninas tão doidas e
Como
malucas.
que ela tá gostando?
Ela joga a bunda pro alto, caiu, deixa bater. Ela joga a bunda pro alto.
All right, everybody. So I hope you all enjoyed the wonderful performance by Daksh Dhawan. He is the lovely choreographer of this performance. और अब बारी है अगले entertainment act की, जो है singing. So yes, मैं ज़्यादा इसके बारे में बात नहीं करूँगी. Let's completely get into the AV and watch out what do we have in the store. Can we have the AV, please?
लाल मेरी पत
कलंदर दमादम दास 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 कलंदर
ऑल राइट एवरीबॉडी सो यस थोड़े से टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस की वजह से थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग यहाँ पे वापस आ चुके हैं। तो जितनों ने भी यहाँ हमारा इंतजार किया, बहुत बहुत सॉरी एंड शुक्रिया सभी को इंतजार करने के लिए, प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वेटिंग अ लॉट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ मोमेंट टू कंप्लीटली गेट इनटू द एड्रेसिंग पार्ट। यहाँ कई सारे लोग हैं जो काफी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। हमारे हाई प्रोफाइल पीपल अराउंड द कॉर्नर, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत। एंड फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन टू द फोरम साइड none other than Dimple Ji. She is JLW TNAPTS Zone Convener. Can we have you here onto the setup site, ma'am? And we would like to hear you up.
Hello. Jai Jinendra, everyone. Thank you, everyone. I warm welcome to all dignitaries from Apex and National and Zone. I would like to tell thank you to Hyderabad chapter doing such a great event. And we are on finally today on semi-final event. I would like to acknowledge that to Hyderabad team for the great work and hard work. They are doing extremely good thing, which is different the way it should be. And it's so difficult to do this way, connect to Zoom and YouTube. It really shows that hard work what you are doing. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, Shudha ji.
Yes, ma'am. Dimple ma'am, thank you so much for your kind words and thank you so much for being here with us. I know it's pretty difficult. रियल में मिलना और वर्चुअली मिलने में काफी डिफरेंस है, लेकिन सबके इतने सपोर्ट से, इतने प्यार से हम लोग मुमकिन कर पाए हैं सीजन 2 को, तो आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों चलिए अब आगे बढ़ने का वक्त आ चुका है और अब मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी मनोज जी दुग्गड़ से। जी हाँ, ही इज अ डायरेक्टर एपेक्स। आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट सर to kindly take over the forum and we would love to hear you as well. So yes, now over to Manoj ji Dugar.
I acknowledge the gracious presence of Srimati Sunita ji, Srimati Dimple ji, Sri Ramesh ji, Sri Kushal ji, Sri Sarla ji, Srimati Sudha ji.
Manoj ji.
Jai Jinendra. I acknowledge the gracious presence of Srimati Sunita ji, Srimati Dimple ji, Sri Ramesh ji, Sri Kushal ji, Srimati Sarla ji, and Sudha ji. Hope everyone here is safe and is in good health, including everyone's family. जीतो ना सिर्फ योग्य विद्यार्थियों की शैक्षणिक योग्यता को उभार कर देश को IAS, IPS, उनके समकक्ष बेहतरीन प्रतिमाएं दे रहा है, बल्कि विभिन्न कलाओं में पारंगत कलाकारों को अपनी प्रतिभा को उभारने, उसे सबके सामने प्रदर्शित करने की अवसर भी प्रदान करता है। जीतो हैदराबाद चैप्टर की महिला विंग ने इसी क्षेत्र में अभूतपूर्व कार्य करते हुए अनेक तरह की कलाओं में पारंगत कार्यकर्ताओं की कला को प्रदर्शित करने के लिए जो कलाकार की खोज का कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ किया था, वो सफलता के नए आयाम बनाते हुए यहाँ तक पहुंचा है। It's a pleasure to be part of result announcement event of this session of Kalakar Ki Khoj. I also extend my warm greeting to all the wonderful judges present here who have their own unique and special talent in their respective field. Today we will have semi-final result of talent exhibited by participants during the last few days. I'm sure today we will have the best of talent being assessed by finest judge over here. इसमें भाग लेने वाले सभी पार्टिसिपेंट ने पूरी लगन से अपना बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन किया, अपनी कला से सबका दिल जीता। कलाकार की खोज की प्रतियोगिता में जो कलाकार फाइनल तक आए, मैं उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। To participants, I would just say one thing: all participants can't be winner. Winning is a good thing and also admirable, but participation is also equally important. We are not one. This time we just need to recognize your capacity and develop your talent to full potential. believe in yourself, and be confident about your decision and be ready for future event. मैं जीतो महिला विंग की चेयरपर्सन, जनरल सेक्रेटरी तथा इस अनोखे कार्यक्रम को संचालित करने वाली पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, जिनके प्रयत्नों से हमारे समाज के अनेक प्रतिभाओं को अपनी कला तथा योग्यता को प्रदर्शित करने का मंच प्रदान किया। मैं चाहता हूं आप अपनी कल्पनाओं को अधिक उड़ान दें तथा और नए नए तरह के समाज उपयोगी तथा मनोरंजन कार्यक्रम करते रहें। सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Manoj ji. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for all your kind words. And of course, आपकी presence यहाँ बहुत matter करती थी. तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यहाँ बने रहने के लिए. तो दोस्तों चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. And now we would love to hear Ramesh ji. He is ZM TNAPTS Zone. Can we have you here, sir? And I would love to hear what you have to say. Over to you, sir.
So, Jai Jinendra to all of them. Apex Director Sri Manoj Dukad, Srimati Sumanji Bachawat, JLW Chairperson Srimati Sunita Ji Bora, Vice Chairman Vinalji Kona, Lalita Ji Golecha, Sonali Ji Dukad, Hyderabad Chapter Chairman Sri Kushalji Kankaria, Chief Secretary Sri Mahesh Ji Golecha, TNAPTA Zone Vice Chairman Sri Prakash Ji Shetia, श्री राजेश जी चाजे, जोन कन्वीनर डिम्पल जी, जेएलडब्ल्यू हैदराबाद चेयरपर्सन सरला जी, चीफ सेक्रेटरी सुधा जी किमती और प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर टीना जी और कृष्णा जी, ऑनरेबल मेंबर ऑफ ज्यूरी, कॉन्टेस्टेंट एंड फ्रेंड्स, greetings to all. The semi-final session of Kalakar Ki Khoj 2 being organized is yet another milestone program of GITO Ladies Wing Hyderabad. When the whole world is passing through this pandemic days, such a program on virtual platform is not only a stress buster, but also brings great excitement and amazing experience to both contestants and viewers alike. The concept of bringing out the innate talents of participants is really brilliant. Let's all congratulate Sallaji and her team for their meticulous planning, and we can easily understand how much efforts they would have put in. Conducting such a talent-based sessions speak volumes of creativity, perfection, and excellence on a par with reality show we watch on TV channels. Combining talent with skill is a great art, and recognizing individual talent through specific categories of events like short filming, singing, dance, and styling contests involving a large number of participants, member of committee, and jury is a huge challenge which the JLW Hyderabad has overcome successfully. Carrying forward the Kalakar Ki Khoj to the semi-final today is a matter of pride to all of us. The participants, along with their family members, are from various places like Jaipur, Nanded, Raipur, Davangere, Bellary, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Coimbatore, and so on. This fundraising program is exclusively planned for a noble cause to help the underprivileged children for their education. My hearty congratulations once again to Sallaji, who has also been recognized by the Confederation of Women Entrepreneurs for her selfless services to the society, like sponsoring oxygen concentrators, food distributions, and undertaking vaccination drive, etc. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for your kind and lovely words. And of course, आप लोग की presence से ही ये पूरा program successful बना है. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, now I'll take a moment and now I'll be introducing you all to Sunita ji. She is a chairperson JLW. So over to you, ma'am.
Jai Jinendra and Sadar Pranam to all the Apex dignitaries present here today. Manoj ji and Suman ji, from TNAP zone, Ramesh ji, then Kushal ji, Prakash ji, Rajesh ji, and all TNAP committee members, Hyderabad chapter committee members, Sarla ji, Sudha ji team, and national committee who has joined in today, Lalita ji, Meenal ji, Sonali ji, and of course Dimple ji, and all chapter chairperson and all Jito ladies wing members who have joined in from all across India today. It's a great achievement the semi-finale of Kalakar Ki Khoj, where we have 256 participants coming in and joining from around 9 to 10 cities. They are participating with all the 5 competitions here. And I see like around 40 to 50 team members. So it's been a tremendous hard work put behind it. We can see how brilliantly they have put together the event they planned, and the way they have curated and executed the event is highly commendable initiative. So hats off to you all, and congratulations on behalf of Jito Ladies Wing, and congratulations once again to the zone and Hyderabad chapter. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। इतने प्यारे प्यारे शब्द सुन के ऐसे ही लग चुका है कि हमारा सीजन 2 ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है। आप सभी के सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। वेल लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, नाउ लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, अब मैं चाहूंगी कि माइक सुमन जी की तरफ कर दिया जाए। जी हाँ सुमन जी, वी वुड लव टू हियर यू, डायरेक्टर JLW। वेल यस सर, आई वुड लव टू हियर यू मैम।
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome the glamorous couple, the couple whom we are all waiting for.
जय जिनेंद्र टू ऑल। एक्चुअली मैं एक प्रोग्राम में आई हुई हूँ, तो सॉरी फॉर दैट। रेस्पेक्टेड सुनीता जी, JLW चेयरपर्सन, और कैन यू हियर मी? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
और रमेश जी, मनोज जी, सरला जी, सुधा जी, ललिता जी, मीनल जी, सोनाली जी, सभी हमारे जितने भी टीम मेंबर्स हैं, सबको बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। आज का जो ये फंक्शन है उसके पीछे आप लोगों का सबका बहुत एफर्ट लगा है, और बहुत सक्सेसफुली आपने इस प्रोग्राम को आज इस मुकाम तक लेकर आए हैं। तो आप सबको बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, और हैदराबाद चैप्टर ऐसे ही रोकिंग काम करते रहे और हमारे JLW का प्राउड फील करवाता रहे। थैंक यू सो मच एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। वेल विद दिस विल बी मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट, और अब मैं चाहूंगी कुशल जी, काइंडली यू टेक ओवर द फोरम साइड, एंड आपको हम सुनना चाहेंगे दिलो जान से। जी हाँ सर, ओवर टू यू।
जय जिनेंद्र सभी को, all the dignitaries and all the judges. Hope you and your family are keeping healthy. First of all, I would like to congratulate Jito Ladies Wing for a great efforts and making Kalakar Ki Khoj Session 2 successfully. And this was the national and international level where we had participated from all over. I would like to thank the participants from such active participants, so much enthusiasm and showing their talent. So finalizing for the masters are Lavanya SM01, Bharat and team SMB02, Niksha SMB03, Somya SMB4, Vian Jain SMB08, Kashish SMB09. All the best for the finals. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सभी को सुनकर, और इतना सपोर्ट, इतना प्यार, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप लोगों को जितना एफर्ट्स यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, उन सबको प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर विद अस। सुबह से शाम हो गई, हम सभी यहाँ पे एक साथ एकजुट बैठे हैं, बने हैं, और फीलिंग बस ऐसी आ रही है कि एक छत के नीचे बैठे हैं, वो जताने के लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो क्योंकि रिजल्ट्स की बारी अब आ चुकी है, जिसका आप सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार था, वो पल अब यहाँ पे आ चुका है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, रिजल्ट्स की एक एवी देख लेते हैं, एंड उसके बाद वी विल बी डिक्लेयरिंग द फाइनलिस्ट्स। सो यस, कैन वी हैव द एवी प्लीज? चुका है, यानी कि रिजल्ट हमारे हाथों में है। तो चलिए सुनेंगे हम रिजल्ट हमारे बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे लोगों की जुबान से। तो ये हमारे पास सभी लोग जूस के बिल्कुल तैयार है रिजल्ट बताने के लिए। आई होप आप सभी उतने ही एक्साइटेड हैं जितनी कि मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ। तो यहाँ पे जितने भी रिजल्ट आए हैं बहुत ही मुश्किल से शॉर्ट लिस्ट किया गया है, लेकिन फाइनली So yes, I would like to tell you all कि पहला जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है वो है सुर के सरताज की कैटेगरी में। Yes, और सिंगिंग अबाउट 16 ये हमारा रहेगा जिसके ऊपर रिजल्ट सबसे पहले डिक्लेयर किया जाएगा। I would like to request रमेश जी जैन, जोन चेयरमैन TNAPTS जोन, और इनके बाद प्रकाश जी सेठिया, वाइस चेयरमैन TNAPTS जोन। आप दोनों से गुजारिश है कि पहले सेट की रिजल्ट हमें बता दी जाए, जिसका से लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं। तो ज्यादा सरप्राइजेस नहीं, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। ओवर टू यू जेंटलमैन। So yes, everybody, रिजल्ट्स का इंतजार यहाँ पे चल रहा है, लेकिन आप सभी को सुन नहीं पा रही हूँ। Yes, I would like to request रमेश जी जैन सर एंड साथ ही साथ प्रकाश जी सेठिया सर, आप दोनों से गुजारिश है कि सुर के सरताज सिंगिंग अबाउट 16 इयर्स ऑफ एज ग्रुप रिजल्ट्स बता दें सर, रिजल्ट्स डिक्लेयर कर दें। बहुत बेसब्री से हमारी ऑडियंस सभी लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं। ओवर टू यू।
Semi-finalists who will participate in the finals of Kalakar Ki Khoj 2. The winner, see, the SSA 01, SSA 02,
Zoom पे आ रही है, वो YouTube में जाएगी।
SSA 03, SSA 06, SSA 13, SSA 20, SSA 22, SSA 23, SSA 30, SSA 33, SSA 34, SSA 43, SSA 45, SSA 46, SSA 52, SSA 56. So this from my side.
Thank you so much, Ramesh Bhaiya.
Thank God you're able to hear me.
Yeah, we could hear you. Next, Sudha ji.
प्रकाश जी, आपने अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया है?
आप पढ़ो फिर ये सब
हमारे सुर के सरताज के विनर्स कौन है जो फिनाले में जाने वाले हैं। अब बारी है प्रकाश जी की। सो प्रकाश जी सेठिया, वाइस चेयरमैन TNAPTS जोन, सर आपसे गुजारिश है कि आधे रिजल्ट्स आप भी डिक्लेयर कर दें। ओवर टू यू सर।
बहुत बहुत शुभकामना आपको। वेरी ग्रेट प्रोग्राम दिस वन। और इतना जूम में करना कोई मामूली बात नहीं है। इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम जो आपने किया है, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से किया। थोड़ा हो सकता है टेक्नोलॉजी में होता है, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन प्रोग्राम इज वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। और मेरे को दिए आपने जो अपने सुर एक सरताज ग्रुप, सुर एक सरताज और जो क्वालिफाइड हो रहे हैं फाइनल के लिए, उसमें नंबर है SSB 01। I repeat one. Are you hear me now, Dimple ji?
Yes, Prakash Bhaiya.
SSB 01, SSB 03, SSB 07, SSB 08। जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट है, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको, जो भी आप फाइनल के लिए आगे जाने वाले हैं। आई होप सो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे। और थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन सरला जी, थैंक यू। हैदराबाद लेडीज, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Prakash Bhaiya.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। तो चलिए दोस्तों, इसी बात पे हम सभी को मालूम चल चुका है हमारे सुर के सरताज के फिनालिस्ट, यस फाइनल जो हमारे लोग हैं वो फाइनलिस्ट कौन कौन है वो हमें मालूम चल चुका है। मेनी मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द फाइनलिस्ट्स। तो चलिए अब आगे बढ़ेंगे और अगला जो हमारा सेशन था वो था डांस के दीवाने, और ये है अबव 16। तो चलिए गुजारिश करना चाहेंगे डिम्पल जी जैन JLW जोन और साथ ही साथ राजेश जी जोन सेक्रेटरी, आप दोनों से गुजारिश है रिजल्ट्स डिक्लेयर करें और हमें बताएं कि कौन है हमारे फाइनलिस्ट डांस के दीवाने के।
थैंक यू सो मच। डांस के दीवाने पार्टिसिपेंट फाइनल सेमीफाइनल पार्टिसिपेंट्स इज DDA 11, DDA 15, DDA 18, DDA 19, DDA 20, DDA 24, DDA 25, DDA 31, DDA 37, DDA 39. Congratulations to all semi-finalists.
Next, Rajesh ji, please take over.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
audible, sir.
Warm welcome to all the dignitaries from Apex Zone and the chapter. Congratulations to the Hyderabad ladies team led by Sarla ji for making K3 a grand success, the season 2. भाग लेना पहला कदम है सफलता की तरफ. And I would like to congratulate all the participants for making the event a successful one. Now I would like to announce the Navratan, the 9 people who have qualified for the finals. The participant numbers are DDB 04, DDB 06, DDB 07, DDB 10, DDB 14, DDB 27, DDB 36, DDB 40, and the final number is DDB 42. Once again, congratulations to all the participants. Thank you.
So yes, with this we have the results के दीवाने और many congratulations to all finalists। आप सभी का स्वागत है फाइनल्स में। तो चलिए दोस्तों अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और अब बारी है स्क्रीन मास्टर्स की, और इसके रिजल्ट्स को डिक्लेयर करने के लिए मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कुशल जी, चेयरमैन जी तो हैदराबाद, एंड साथ ही साथ महेश जी। कैन वी हैव यू हियर ऑन टू द फोरम साइड प्लीज? एंड आप दोनों से गुजारिश है कि स्क्रीन मास्टर्स उनके रिजल्ट्स को डिक्लेयर करें। ओवर टू यू जेंटलमैन।
Kushal ji, please announce the results.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations to Sarla ji.
तो मैं चाहूंगी कुशल जी और महेश जी, ओवर टू यू।
Firstly, congratulations again to participants for such a great performance and amazing efforts. And I now would like to declare the finalists for the Screen Masters, and they are Lavanya SM01, Karatan Team SM02, Nishka SMB03, Somya SMB04, Vivan Jain SMB08, Kashish SMB09. All the best for the finals. Thank you so much.
Mahesh ji, please continue.
जय जिनेंद्र सभी को। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई कंग्रेचुलेट टू हैदराबाद लेडीज Sarla ji and Sudha ji for making this program a grand success, and I also thank all the Apex and the zone governing body to be present here. I am told that I have to announce the results for the finalists of the Screen Masters. बट मुझे लगता है कि ये जो लोग भी ऊपर आए हैं अभी, उन्होंने ये लाइन कहीं पढ़ी होगी, एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज लिसन। जीतूंगा मैं, ये खुद से वादा करो, जीतूंगा मैं, ये खुद से वादा करो, जितना सोचते हो कोशिश उससे ज्यादा करो, तकदीर भी रूठे पर हिम्मत न टूटे, मजबूत इतना अपना इरादा करो। I think they would have listened to this and they have come up in this Screen Master finalists. And I am happy to announce that SMA 10, Hetal and team is one of the finalists. SMA 12, Naman and team is another. SMA 13, Rishabh and team, and SMA 14, that team. You know, these 4 teams are into the finals. So congratulations to all the 4 teams who have come in the finals. And once again, I congratulate Cheeto Hyderabad Chapter Ladies Wing for taking up such a massive project on technology, because this is the age of technology and they have used technology to the very best. Congratulations to the team and also to the zone and to the Apex for making this as a zone event. Thank you.
All right, so yes, with this we would like to congratulate Screen Masters के finalist को बहुत बहुत पूरे तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद. Congratulations guys. Well, great job done. अब आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं हम Styles and Beyonds के finalist के साथ. तो चलिए अब मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी सुनीता जी बोरा. She is a chairperson JLW with Suman ji. I would like to request the director in charge JLW, both of them, to kindly take it forward and Styles and Beyond कि जो हमारे finalists हैं उनकी announcement कर दी जाए. Over to you, ladies.
Yeah. For Style and Beyond results, congratulations all semi-finalists. This was a sari draping, sari styling competitions. So the semi-finalists are SB02 Shraddha Soni, SB03 Miti Golcha, SB05 Sabita Rai Soni, SB06 Surekha Baldota, SB07 T Sancheti.
To kindly take it over. And ma'am, yes, please. अब गुजारिश है कि आप आगे के results declare करें.
For Style and Beyond, the finalists, the semi-finalists are SB07 Kirti Sancheti, SB08 Santa Sisodia, SB09 Khushbu Jain, SB1010 Sonam Nahar, SB11 Divya Golecha Surana, SB12 Benita Setia. Congratulations to all the winners of the semi-finals.
Thank you so much, ladies, and एक बार फिर से मुबारकबाद देना चाहेंगे. Many congratulations to all the finalists of Style and Beyond. And now it's time to move forward. और अब बारी है जानने की कि कौन है finalist जायका यानी कि स्वाद की जुगलबंदी की. I would like to request Advocate Minal ji to kindly take it over. She is a vice chairperson JLW as well. And also I would like to request Lalita ji, Vice Chairperson JLW, to kindly take it over. And ladies, let us know who are the finalists of Zyka Swad Ki Jugalbandi. Over to you.
They're going to semi-final.
Meenal ji, please take over.
Kadar Jai Jinendra to all the dignitaries of Jito Apex, Jito Ladies Ring, TNAP Zone, and especially Hyderabad. I truly appreciate the efforts taken by all of you to execute, to curate this event. It's my privilege to announce the result of Zyka quarter final and the members who are qualifying for the semi-finalist. The numbers are SJ01, SJ02, SJ03, SJ07, SJ10, SJ12, SJ13, and SJ14. Congratulate to all the members who had qualified for the semi-finalists and wish you all the best for the same. Thank you so much.
Next, Lalita ji, continue.
Yeah. Jai Jinendra to everybody. Good evening, all the dignitaries. Hyderabad chapter Sarlaji, Sudhaji, for all your effort and successful. All the participants, congratulations who have taken the participate. I'll just announce the qualified of semi-finals of JICA. SJ13, SJ14, SJ21, SJ08, SJ20, SJ17, SJ22, SJ25, SJ5, and SJ9. Congratulations to everybody and good evening to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Well, with this, I would like to congratulate all the finalists. आप सभी को बहुत-बहुत मुबारकबाद हमारी टीम की तरफ से, सारे viewers की तरफ से, and all the very, very best for the finale. Well, with this, I would like to request Ms. Sudha Kinti, entrepreneur and numerologist, and now she is currently serving as Chief Secretary of JITO. Can we have you here, ma'am, onto the stage for word of thanks?
Thank you, Neha. Good evening, everyone. No matter what language you speak, a kind and smiling thank you speaks to everyone's heart. On behalf of JITO Ladies Wing Hyderabad, I extend vote of thanks to all the dignitaries present today. Deep sense of gratitude to TNAPT Zone Chairman Ramesh Ji, Vice Chairman Prakash Ji Jain, Chief Secretary Nikhil Ji, TNAPT Zone Ladies Wing Convener Dimple Ji, for being with us and playing a key role in organizing Kalakar Ki Khoj Season 2. A hearty thank you to Manoj Ji Dugar, Director Apex, Kushal Ji Kankaria, Chairman JITO Hyderabad, Chief Secretary Mahesh Ji, and Ladies Wing Coordinator Rohit Ji Kotari for all the support. Deep sense of gratitude to JITO Ladies Wing Apex Chairperson Sunita Ji Bora, Director in charge, Sumanji Bachawat, Vice Chairman, Advocate Meenalji Khona and Lalitaji Golecha, Chief Secretary, Sonaliji Dugar, Secretary, Sheetal Dugar, and Manzi Convener, Tripti Jain, Garima Sipani, Zaika Convener, Sonaliji Maru for all the appreciation, support and motivation. Hearty thank you to all the judges, Ashishji Rawat, Vamshi Krishna, Deepshika Ji Raina, Deepak Moyale, Shrikant Ahire, Abhishek Ji, Roma Ji, Prachi Sawan, and Ripudaman Honda for being there with us and making our task easy. I express my gratitude to all the sponsors for sponsoring the event. All the proceedings will be used for the educational project. Thank you all the sponsors. Sincere appreciation to all the coordinators of Kalakar Ki Khoj Season 2, who all have put in a lot of efforts to make this event successful. The fabulous digital virtual show which you have seen today is only and only because of Sudhaji Jain. Thanks a lot, Sudha Jain. I would like to thank all the participants without whom the show wouldn't have been possible, and congratulate all the winners of the semi-final round. Wish you all the best for the finale. Thank you and one and all. Over to you, Neha.
Well, once again, we would like to congratulate all finalists. आप सभी को बहुत मुबारकबाद और इसी के साथ special thanks to Trishna Bamboli ji, Tina Shah and the digital team. Because of you, we were able to make season 2 successful. Well, I would like to thank at the end of the time to everybody for taking out time from your busy schedules, do coming down and marking the spectacular gathering with the glory of your presence. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप सब यहाँ आए और आपने अपना कीमती वक्त हमें दिया.
Friends, on behalf of Jito Ladies Wing Hyderabad, I, Sarla Bhutodia,
and myself, Sudha Keemti,
on behalf of entire core committee and Kalakar Ki Khoj team, extend our heartfelt gratitude for sparing your valuable time for us and motivating and encouraging us. Thank you very much.
Your appreciation means a lot to us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ladies. Well, with this, we declare that season 2 was indeed successful. The credit goes to each and every one of you. Thank you so much, people. And now, as it's the ending part of the time, I would like to request everybody to kindly stand up. And we are all set for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this, the time has come. I'm Neha Gupta signing out from Kalakar Ki Khoj Season 2. And I think people who are near me, all the guests, 3 cheers to banta hai for the success of Season 2. So yes, hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you so much, people. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy yourselves to the core of your hearts. And yes, I hope we'll be having Season 3 super quick. Till then, apna khayal rakhein and be safe. Thank you so much. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you.